In this lecture, we are going to discuss about strength of materials. Strength of material is also known as mechanics of material. It's a branch of engineering that deals with the study of mechanical behavior of materials when subjected to various forces and loads. This field focuses on understanding how materials respond to external loads, stresses, and strains with the goal of designing and analyzing structures and components that can withstand these forces safely and efficiently. When an external load is applied on the material, then the capacity of the material to withstand the load without destruction is called strength of material. The stronger the material, the greater the load it can handle. Therefore, it determines the ability of material to withstand stress without failure. The strength of materials varies according to the type of loads. The maximum stress that a material can withstand before destruction is called the ultimate strength. The tenacity of material is the value of its ultimate strength in tension. Strength of materials plays a crucial role in engineering disciplines such as civil engineering, mechanical engineering, aerospace engineering, and material science. It provides the foundation for designing safe and efficient structures and components in various industries, ensuring that they can withstand the forces and stresses they encounter during their operational lifetime. Thank you.